Now listen here. In this house, the forks go with the forks, the spoons go with the spoons, and don't even think about putting cups on the bottom rack. These are my dishwasher rules, and honey, they ain't up for debate.
Don't you dare put that cup on the bottom row. That's where the pots and the big pans go. Forks with the forks and the knives in their lane, but you toss them like dice in a poker game. You say you're helping, well bless your heart, but this ain't helping, it's falling apart. I've got a system, don't mess with my groove. Step aside, honey, and watch me move. Dishwasher rules, carved in stone. Every plate and spoon's got a proper home. You cram and you jam like a runaway train, but I'll be reloading again and again. It's order, it's power, it's my house truth. This kitchen runs on dishwasher rules. Tastic on the top, don't melt it down. Bowls ain't stacking if they're sideways and round. I don't want no chaos behind that door. I want space for 10 plates and still room for more. Call me bossy, well maybe I am, but I'm the queen of this kitchen, I've got the plan. So hand me that dish and step out of the way, 'cause I'll do it right by the break of day. Dishwasher rules, carved in stone. Every plate and spoon's got a proper home. You cram and you jam like a runaway train, but I'll be reloading again and again. It's order, it's power, it's my house truth. This kitchen runs on dishwasher rules. I don't need a crown or a fancy throne. Just give me my racks and leave me alone. If you break my system, I'll blow a fuse. Step back, sugar, respect the rules. Dishwasher rules, carved in stone. Every fork and knife's got a proper home. You cram and you jam, think you're saving the night, but I'll be reloading till morning light. It's sass, it's pride, it's my gospel truth. This kitchen runs on dishwasher rules.